para sa Alaska Milk.
Well, malaking bagay na si Bong Hawkins is suit up here for Alaska. Kaya nang dinigit natin kanina in our pre-game intro, ito si Bong Hawkins hindi nakapagaro. The last time in Alaska played here, ito pinag-Alaska at tatalo ang Alaska by 25 points. Sorely missing the services of Bong Hawkins. Hawkins, of course, gives them perimeter offense and, of course, the rebounding strength they need.
Nababanggit mo pa lamang yung perimeter offense, kagad nakakuha ng puntos si Bong Hawkins. Ang isa pang laging inaasahan na start member, starting unit ng Gordons naman, itong si Robert Jaworski Jr. na may hawak ng bola ngayon. Sabi nila, ito daw ang anting-anting ni Sonny Jaworski. Hindi ko malusutan si Ponsalan. Subalit tatawagan ng foul si Brian Ponsalan at si Dudut Jaworski will go to the free throw line.
Nice curl move. Dudut Jaworski driving down the baseline. Well, nakita siguro ni Dudut Jaworski kasi Brian Ponsalan will not have the lateral mobility to stop his drive down the baseline. Kanya inutakan na lang ni Dudut Jaworski in his drive to the basket. First point here for Gordons, courtesy of Dudut. At yan ang ng mga fans.
Yan ang average ni Dudut, 1 point per game. At nalampasan na niya. Maaga pa tayo dito sa larong ito. Alam niyo po mga kaibigan, in 1996, ang Alaska went 3-2 sa All-Filipino at 9-6 throughout the season. Of course, itong dalawang koponan nito ang naglaban. Uy, may yung napakalapit na tira ni Jojo Lastimosa.
Beautiful curl move by Lastimosa. Hindi lang niya naipasok. Pero bukang-buka yung depensa ng Gordons in that attempt of Jojo Lastimosa attacking the weak side, coming from the strong side.
Clutch rematch ito, finito, noong 1996 Governors Cup Finals kung saan nagwagi ang Alaska 4-1.
That's right, rematch nga ito ng finalist of the third conference. And kaya na sinabi natin kanina, itong Alaska actually started the third conference last season in a very poor note. Steal by Lastimosa.
Dalawang turnover na yan laban sa Gordon's Gin. This early in the game, tuloy-tuloy si Pop Sueño upang maibigay ang kalamangan sa Alaska Milk.
Right idea for Alaska. No? Alam nila na in depensa ng Gordon, a little suspect underneath despite the presence of Marlo Aquino. And in fact, this is one area where Coach Robert Jaworski is missing the services of File. Depensa sa ilalim, especially when he used to play the Twin Towers.
2 seconds of shot clock ng Gordon. Tumira sa rin sa labas. Patay!
Tuwa-tuwa si Pido Horencio at itong mga Barangay Ginebra fans similarly tuwa-tuwa. Shot clock almost out on Gordon's Gin. Naipasok sa nila yung tira.
Bago sa tirang yun, si Pido Horencio was only shooting 2 out of 13 from the 3-point range for only 15.4%.
Partner, binanggit natin that Jaworski missing the services of CJ File, especially in the rebounding strength of Gordon. Pero compensating naman ito si Noli Locsin, and he compensates for this outstanding offense. And in fact, mukha yata maganda ang combination ni Locsin at saka ni Aquino. Earlier, much better offensive potential from Aquino and Locsin together than Aquino and File together.
Bong Hawkins nakakuha na naman ang puntos. Well, napapag-usapan yung kombinasyon ni Aquino at Locsin. Sinitos, they're averaging almost 46 points for the team. At halos kalahati yan itong score. Harencio with another triple V from the other side of the floor this time.
Partner, ito si Harencio, a street shooter. Dating back to his glory days at the University of Santo Tomas. When he feels it, when he feels the flow, he's gonna go with it.
Oh, yes. Ang pinakamagandang scoring average ni Pido Horencio was back in was with Ginebra, 18.6 points noong panahon ng early 90s.
Partner, slight adjustment here in the offense of Coach Sangin. Kung nakikita natin si Johnny Barrientos, hindi na siya nagdadala ng bola. No? They're relying on Bong Hawkins or some other person because they feel that it is Johnny Barrientos is much more needed. No? It's trying to score the point. And if they can get somebody else to bring down the ball, it saves, it preserves his energy.
Naagawan si Ponsalan at hindi na magkarinigan dito, Pinito, sa lakas ng hiyawan ng mga tao dito sa loob ng Cuneta Astrodome.
Ito nga, pang-apat na laro lang ito ng Gordon's Gin. Nagkakagulo na dito sa Cuneta.
Alam mo, Kinito, yung pwesto ni Brian Ponsalan, yun ang dating pwesto ni Jeffrey Cariaso. At saka yun ang hindi ka nga humahalilit. Marami nang nilagay si Coach Tim Conyo sa pwestong yan. But obviously, sila ay nangungulila ng tao dyan.
Actually, it's a matter of adjustment. One one adjustment that he has made is to slide Jojo Lastimosa, not playing the off-guard position. Something that he can play, a position that he's very comfortable at playing. Kumisa kasi si Lastimosa has been moved over to the small forward position.
Maganda set-up job kay Vince Season pero mintis ang tira. Punsalan drops it off. Lastimosa gets the foul, gets the basket. At ang ating puntalaan ay maitatabla ni Jojo Lastimosa. May kasama pang foul and a possible 3-point play para kay Jolas. Vince Season picking up his first foul.
Partner, what made that play possible was Brian Punsalan's unselfish play. He had an open drive to the lane. Yun nga lang, he decided to pass off to his teammate with a higher percentage shot. Good decision on the part of Brian Punsalan. And that comes with maturity. And talking about maturity, partner, Val David and Marlo Aquino, now sophomores in this league, showing tremendous maturity. They can only get better. And maraming ka nagsasabi, this could be the year of Gordon's Gin.
Oo. Well, tandaan natin yan. Last year, ang Gordon's Gin to went 12-12 in this All-Filipino Cup. Good only for 4th place. They went also 4th in the Commissioner's Cup pero number 2 na sila nung Governor's Cup. So pataas na pataas ang pwesto nito. Samantala yan po si Val David, nakikita natin. Siya ay nakaupo pa. He comes off the bench and he's been averaging 19 points in his last 2 games.
Actually, last year, Ginebra San Miguel almost made it to the finals of both the first and second conferences. Natalo sila sa playoffs. No? So they could have easily gone to 3 finals last year. And,
partner, yung magandang mistisa nakita natin kanina, yung si Heather. Yun ang asawa ni Vince Season.
Oo. Ang sinisisa yun, puro yun. An American who's here, I understand, in a 2-week visit. She's the girlfriend.
Ay, di ba asawa yan?
Kakasal pa yata sila. Balita ko meron ng date, January 3, 1998.
Balita ko, asawa ko. Pero tingnan natin, malalaman din natin yan. Samantala, alahoy ang opensa ng Gordon's Gin at umatake ang last na minute bahagyang nasapal ni Aquino at lalabas ang bola. Pupunta ang bola sa panig ng Gordon's Gin at may technical foul na itatawag si referee Garferio laban kay Bong Hawkins nila. Tingnan natin, yes, Bong Hawkins. Medyo humahanap ng foul si Bong Hawkins kanina dun sa bangga. At si Coach Tim Ton, nirereklamo din yung kaso ni Bong Hawkins.
Si Vince Season at the stripe. Well, kung ito ang balita, wala pa kasawa si Vince Season. That's good news for many of his teammates. May pag-asa pa sila lahat.
Ayan na naman. Yan po si Heather.
Yan si Heather.
At ang sabi sa amin ng aming Flor D na si Bobot Santos, asawa talaga ni Vince.
Asawa ba?
Oo. Alam mo, nabanggit din sa akin ni Vince even before he came into the league. Pero hindi yata na-formalize. But nonetheless, she's here and she's cheering on the Gordon's Gin scores. Initat. Maganda pagsimula na naman ng Gordon. Samantala may traveling violation laban kay Dudut Jaworski. Partner, this early, tatlong triple V na ang Gordon's Gin. They're averaging as a team 21% from that area. Pero ngayon mukhang naghasa sila sa labas.
Alam mo, when you have a big man like the flying skater Marlo Aquino to slack down offensive rebound, mataas ang kumpiyansa ng mga perimeter gunners nyo.
3 seconds of shot clock. Lean-in jumper, wala. Season, bumaksak. Pero hawak pa rin niya. Abanteng pasa, nakipito Renzo laban kay Johnny Abarientos. Bounces it off. At may foul. O mananatili ang bola. Tap out? No, may foul nga yung tatawag. Referee Fernandez. Johnny Abarientos ang tatawagan ng kanyang unang personal foul. 2-point ball game. Ako na timeout. 5:42 remaining dito sa ating unang yugto. Abante pong Gordon's Gin ng 2 puntos. At bola pa ng mga nakaputi. Gordon's Gin. Sa kasalukuyan, they maintain their starting unit. Wala pa rin palitan dito ng tao. 3-point shot towards si Mike Tick. Outlet. Nauna si Punsalan. Laban si Jaworski. One fake. Turn around. Yes. Good move. Malaki Brian Punsalan.
Very slow to get back down on defense on Gordon's Gin.
Si Brian Punsalan. Nakuha yan ng Alaska Milk mula sa Pure. Ilan na vaccine? behind ni Vince Hizon. Kinato, anong may expect mo dito sa laban ito? Obviously, alam na alam itong dalawang koponan ng style nila. Pero anong bago na pwedeng ma-expect ng mga tao dito?
Well, unang-una, itong Gordon's Gym, you can expect them to run and gun because yan ang estilo nila. They're averaging 94 points in offense. No? That's tied with Moby Line for the league's highest output. No? And the reason why they've been able to score and in a league where parang bumababa na kayo it's because familiarity, no? Sa isa't isa. Yung Moby Line naman, the reason why they're able to score so much is because they just are so deep and so talented at practically every position.
Good pick and roll play between Hizon at si Marlo Aquino. Aquino on the firing end. At tabla po muli tayo ng 14-all. Ikatlong deadlock natin. 4:25 ang nanatapin sa ating first quarter. Abarientos na nalibre bahagya, and he takes advantage of the situation. Abarientos now with 4 points.
Well, definitely the veterans have to show the way here for Alaska. No? And when you talk of the veterans for Alaska, you talk about Abarientos, Lastimosa, at Bong Hawkins. No? They are the triumvirate. At dahil ang binigit natin ganyan, itong triumvirate na ito was hardly, their presence hardly felt. Well, Hawkins na, wala nga doon. No? Saka si Abarientos and Lastimosa hardly really showed up with big numbers the last time out.
Roger Lastimosa picking up a foul on that scramble para sa leather. Unang foul ni Jolas. And we've got a capacity crowd dito sa loob ng Cuneta. From ito yung foul na yun. Nabitawan ni Lastimosa yung bola. He dove for the ball. Pero mukhang naunahan ni Vince Hizon siya dun sa pwesto.
Partner hunger factor. No? I think clearly on the side of Gordon's Gym. No? Alam natin itong Gordon's Gym. Matagal-tagal natin hindi nakakatikim ng championship ito. No?
Ako, napakatagal.
And Alaska, of course, has tasted fourth straight championship. Here's another easy transition basket out of good defense. Well, kanina tinanong mo sa akin, what do you expect from these two teams? From Gordon's Gym, I think you can expect run and gun, the exciting brand of basketball that the Latin General franchise is known for, particularly in transition. Ang Alaska naman, you can expect a lot of good defense. Alam mo, smart move by Dodot Jaworski that time. He faked the three-point shot, pero meron siya drop pass sa ilalim.
At si Noli Locsin ang gumawa ng puntos. Noli Locsin now scoring his first 2 points. Nakatala sa labas si Coach Trino. Gets another jumper at abante po ang Alaska Milk ng 4 under 3 minutes to play dito sa first quarter.
And touched by Coach Trino. Actually, he set the screen kanina, but good alert move. He picked up the loose ball.
Hizon laban kay Lastimosa. Jump shot. Wala. Rebound. Natapik yung Bong Hawkins. Pasak. Punta sa ulo ni Johnny A. Okay lang yun. Hindi gawin pang asintahan niya. Samantala may foul sa paglipad ni Pochrinho Jaworski with a foul.
That's a hard foul. That's too hard a foul on the part of Pochrinho. Down on the floor.
Tignan mo to.
Oh, that's almost a clothesline. That's almost a clothesline by Dodot. That's a hard foul.
May tama po ang Gordon's Gym.
Of the PBA. Vila, change the game.
Tuloy po kami nagbabalik sa kaneta. Johnny Jaworski in one of his regular huddles pinito. Siya lang ang siguro kaisang coach na kapag may timeout ay nakaupo sa kanyang bangko.
So yeah, most other coaches are either squatting or standing up. Pero si Robert J.
Ibahin mo siya.
Oh, he set the trend. Ika nga.
He's one of a kind. Samantala si Coach Green nadagdagan na po ang abante ng Alaska Milk. They're top by 5. Pinita may binabanggit ka sa opensa na ipinapakita ng Alaska sa kasalukuyan. Well,
pinakita natin kanina, no? Si Bong Hawkins is the one who's bringing down the ball because hindi naman masyadong makakapagbigay ng defensive pressure ang kanyang gumagawa siya sa kanya. No? Unlike Johnny Abarientos, so if he brings down the ball, he usually puts tremendous defensive pressure on him. And it extends and it takes away from his offense.
Kaya pagdating sa dulo, medyo maganda.
Oo. And I think Johnny Abarientos, they wanted to fight things, they wanted to score, and they wanted to steal the ball. Ito na si Johnny.
Another turnover. Oh, ganda ng bounce pass. At may foul si Noli Locsin. But again, Alaska coming down quickly sa kanilang opensa. Yung depensa naman ng Gordons, ika nga nawawala pinito at this stage.
Well, this is a classic case of offense versus defense. No? Depensa ng Alaska, and they're transforming good defense into opportunities to score easy baskets on the other end. Ang Gordons naman, medyo nawawala sila sa depensa, and of course, nabubulabog din ang offense nila because Alaska is showing the kind of defense that, well, Alaska's been known for all these years. Remember itong Alaska, 8 straight final appearances, 4 straight championships. Kanya ang record nila, 1-2. Well, siguro sabi ni Coach Tinton, okay lang sa amin. Known to be a slow starter. Third conference na, nag-1-4 sila, no?
Yes.
Hindi, 1-3 pala. In the third conference, yet nanalo pa sila ng championship in the end.
Alam mo naman si Coach Tim Con, hindi yan kagad nabubulabog eh. They're still, ikang right in there, hindi pa naman sila nangungulela. Although yung kanilang huling pagkatalo laban sa Pure Foods at last Friday, scoring only 63 points was their lowest output ever since nagpasimula sila sa liga ng PBA. Samantala, mintis sa ilalim ng tira ni Noli Locsin. Ang bola napunta kay Bong Hawkins. Parang nagkaroon ng tulakan doon sa ilalim at nagtuturoan si Locsin at saka si Merwin
Castelo. Yes.
Uy, nagkabangga ang
Oh, yes. Alam mo, partner, si Castelo pa ang tinawagan. You know, that's a late call because kanina pa, ito si Castelo and Locsin already were exchanging not only 13 but also some contact. The referee should have seen it already. It could have prevented that kind of altercation.
Ito yung isolation camera natin kinito. Makikita natin, tingnan natin kung sino mag-ano. Hop! Oh, yun, may konting paglabas ng paa ni Merwin Castelo. Nakita yan. Subalit yung hindi nakita, yung unang nangyayari dun sa ilalim. Ano?
Actually, nakita ng referee. Wala lang tao.
Hindi lang ginawa.
Yeah, it was a let-go situation. Pero I think that's where discretion on the part of referees has to come in. Because potentially exposed situation na kung hindi natatawagan kind of contact like that.
Medyo namimilit na ng tira si Noli Locsin sa ilalim. Mintis ang kanyang pagsukot. 8-point lead para sa Alaska Milk. Pinito at ang Gordons, very uncharacteristic na walang putos na nangyayari ngayon.
Partner, struggling in offense. No? Jojo Lastimosa, hard contact inside, walang tawag.
Bison, binigay kay Locsin, laban kay Coach Williams, nabitawan ni Noli Locsin. Another turnover. Kabit-kabit yung mga turnover na yan. Hawkins sa labas. Mintis off the back iron. Tapik ni Merwin Castelo. Napupunta ang bola sa Gordon's Gin. 53 seconds remaining sa ating unang yugto.
Partner, here's a point that we want to stress. No? Marlo Aquino, who's averaging over 20 points for Gordon's Gin, has only had 1 field goal attempt. At yung attempt niya, mga kaibigan, nanggaling pa sa labas. So he has not been able to get any good vision to try to score from inside. Bakit? Yan. Yan ang dahilan. Every time he gets the ball in scoring position, he's double team. Kanya nagkakagulo ngayon ang Gordons because you know that Marlo Aquino is the first option on offense.
Turnover na naman ang nangyari doon. Abarriento, sinamantala na naman. At 10 na po ang abante ng Alaska Milk. 26-16. 20 seconds remaining. At ikang Gordon's falling apart in the seams here, Kinito.
Yes. Well, a big switch on the part of Coach Tinton because tinanggal na niya si Brian Tuzolak. There's a weak link in defense and it put in Merwin Castelo in his place.
Triple B number 3 para kay Pito Lorenzo Lastimosa sasagot. Muntik nang pumasok. Subalit dyan nagwawakas ang ating unang yugto. 7-point lead para sa Alaska Milk. Hot start. Kami po ibabalik para sa ikalawang yugto right after these reminders.